Design Infini is design, marketing, branding, and manufacture, focusing on automotive aftermarket wheels.
Primarily what we do is manufacturing, but we do create the brands. We have 7 in-house designers.
We design wheels for centerline, gear, motive, among a few others. They come to us and basically we start from ideas to give us concepts. Then we do some rendered images.
The reason we start rapid prototyping is that we need to show some of the concepts to our customers.
We needed a capability to be able to print quarter scale truck wheels. And most of the companies didn't even offer that build size and at the speed that we needed. That's how we decided on the Vector 3SP because it had the build platform and the resolution that matched our needs.
We can kind of visualize a lot because we're trained, but then some of our customers may not be able to.
And the things that we cannot explain fully in the graphics, we can show the customer how the angle, how the surface changes.
For them to be able to actually hold it and touch it has been very beneficial for us.
Even our designers can see all the surfaces and all the details in the scale model. That helps us to design better.
That's what we show to them to get their feedback. Then we actually produce the wheel in full scale.
We have a lot of big caps and we're able to make the actual components. And that's a big plus for us.
We've been doing this for 20 years. People have high expectations for us to design and marketing and branding.
Our mission statement is to come out with designs and products that will help and lead the marketplace. And we always strive to be the best. I think it's important for us to really engage in today's fast-moving technology. More and more 3D printing is going to be a big part of the plan.